Hello everyone, it's Adam here. So what we're looking at is two distinct luggage plates for the R1200GS liquid cooled and adventure model. No, this is just the adventure model because these plates work with the stock OEM GSA racks. Mine are black because I had them powder coated, so don't worry about that, but it is the stock racks that come on your GS Adventure. And one of these is the Black Dog luggage rack, and then the other one is the AltRider luggage rack. The AltRider is 4.7 something millimeters thick. This is only 4 millimeters, and it's noticeable for sure. I mean, it's certainly, you can tell the difference in thickness. Weight-wise, the AltRider is also a little bit heavier than the Black Dog, both in thickness. But if you look at them from up top, you've got this additional height here, or width. So the AltRider, the way it works is you have these brackets. If you look at my install video I posted before, it's actually a nice thing to do before you look at this video. Built-in bottle opener, which is nice. Black Dog doesn't have that. These racks here actually go underneath like this. And then you have one bolt goes in here, right there, this little hole. And the other one is going in the end here. Now the problem with these bracket setup is that it bows. So whenever you're screwing this in, this is going to bow a little bit. And I had an issue with this because it just felt, I'm sure it wouldn't have gone anywhere, but it felt like a weaker mounting system. Now, in my opinion, I think AltRider's rack is actually significantly nicer. As far as length goes, you've got roughly the same length. This is where it mounts. Mounts about there. So you've got about the same length all the way to the end. And then side to side, it's no contest. I mean, they're the same height at the width, the shortest point, the smallest point. When you go out here, the AltRider is significantly wider than the Black Dog. So you can see how it hangs off there at the widest point. The problem I had, though, is at the widest point of the AltRider, I had an issue with, personally, an issue with the Jessie boxes. They wouldn't open with this in place. And the only way to get them to open with this in place would be to move the Jessie boxes all the way forward, but then my girlfriend couldn't ride the bike with me because this would be too far forward. So that didn't quite work out for my setup. These work great with the OEM boxes. With the Jessie boxes, I had a problem. But Jessie boxes aren't as popular anymore, so honestly, I wouldn't really put too much weight behind them. I mean, you know, for me, I love the look of the Jessies, but they're not really as common anymore. So keep that in mind, you know, but something that's a fitment issue. As far as Rotopacks goes, you've got two mounting options here and here. It's a really great rack. I like that it actually has the tapered edges, so it gives you a little bit more of running a strap through. You know, this is just a flat square. I do prefer how the Black Dog mounts. The Black Dog uses those built-in holes. If you watch my AltRider video, I actually highlight those holes. I thought the holes initially were the place you mount the AltRider plate. You don't. You have the bracket come out here. With the Black Dog plate, you're actually using those holes that are already in place, and then using this really nice rubber piece here to hold it into the back. And when you get done, it's not moving anywhere. And backtracking a bit here, the AltRider and the Black Dog, once they're finally mounted on the bike, they're not moving. They're both equally as held down. So I've been thinking about this a bit more. So which one of these would I pick? Well, I picked this one. You know, but I ordered the AltRider first because I actually really liked the extra size of it versus the Black Dog plate, first of all. I also liked that it was thicker, and I like the tapered edges a lot more. It gives you a little bit of bringing your rope down and underneath here. It just gives a little bit extra pull as opposed to this. Just personal, maybe a design decision. It allows you to mount the Rotopacks two different ways, just like the Black Dog does. The Black Dog does support a winch if you were to add a winch back here and here. The main reason I couldn't go with the AltRider was because of Jessie box clearance. I'm really happy with the Black Dog. I really, really am. I think it looks fantastic. And I think the mounting style is superior. But either is yet to be really disproven for me. I mean, while I don't like the brackets, when it was mounted, it was just as hardcore as this. I just like that this used the OEM holes here. Even though the holes they're using a big washer, but it still gets the job done. So it's a toss-up, right? So if you have the OEM boxes, I would prefer the AltRider just on how it looks. More holes, more mounting points, thicker. bigger, etc. But the Black Dog is just as great. It really is. The finish is smoother. It feels way more refined where the AltRider is. Hear it? And the Black Dog, just smoother. So that'd be my vote. Would be the AltRider. But the Black Dog is not a slouch at all. They're both within about $10 or $20. I think this one's $20 cheaper than this one. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think this was helpful, at least for me. Now I've got to try to get rid of this guy because I did install it, so I've got a couple of little marks here, so I can't return it. So I'll need to sell it as used. But thanks guys for watching. Hope this video was helpful. And as always, ride safe and have a great day.